Hello, welcome to Pakistan. What does the future hold? A podcast where we discuss major issues in Pakistan. I'm your host, Emma Anderson, and in this episode, we'll be going over the healthcare system and why Pakistan has the highest infant mortality rate in the world. To get started, let's take a quick overview of the healthcare setup in Pakistan. As outlined in the Constitution, healthcare is provided to all individuals by the government through both private and public sectors. The federal government works with provincial governments, and healthcare is then dispersed within districts. Unfortunately, the public sectors are not well organized or provide the same quality of treatment, so private sectors serve about 70% of the population. A common misconception is that healthcare in Pakistan is free. However, about 78% of the population pays for healthcare out of their own pockets. You may be wondering, what's the issue with the public hospitals? The main issues are these. Much of the money provided for proper supplies in hospitals is pocketed by corrupt leaders because the healthcare system is not monitored or regulated. In addition, there is a lack of training for the medical personnel working in the public sectors. Shazia, an 8-year-old mom-to-be, shares her story. I went in for an antenatal checkup at a private clinic first, where I was given several oxytocin injections because I had started to lose some fluid, and the clinic was filled to capacity. But my labor did not progress, despite having contractions, and I was sent to another hospital in Bajor. The staff there saw the IV line in my arm and sent me to Timargara, where I was operated on immediately." End quote. The overuse of oxytocin led to complications, and Shazia ended up visiting 3 different hospitals before delivering her baby via C-section a day later. Sadly, stories like Shazia's are not uncommon. A young mom of 3 kids delivers her baby in a private hospital. After delivery, she brings her baby home, and within a few days she notices that he seems to be feeling sick. Her mother-in-law recommends she feed the baby green tea. Green tea is cheap and used to treat all kinds of disease in this family's culture. Unfortunately, neither of the women knew that green tea is toxic to infants, and the baby died within a few hours. The mother did not receive education at the hospital, nor did she receive it from her upbringing. Pakistan has one of the highest maternal mortality rates in South Asia, and the highest newborn mortality rate in the world, with 1 out of 22 babies dying their first month of life. To put that into perspective, in 2018, the infant mortality rate in the United States was 5.7 deaths per 1,000 live births. So, what does the future hold for Pakistan? If the pattern continues, millions of people will die due to poorly trained healthcare personnel, lack of education and proper supplies, and ultimately a corrupt organization. Why should this be happening in a world as advanced in technology as ours? We can make a difference and help those in Pakistan. To join the cause or to learn more, visit www.msf.org. Thanks for listening. Until next time.